The USS Ronald Reagan, known with CVN-76 hull number, is the ninth and last Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, built to mark the start of a whole new era for this type of warship. Its design and construction incorporate the latest in naval technology. This nuclear-powered aircraft carrier was launched in 2003 and commissioned in 2004. It is named after former U.S. President Ronald Reagan, the 40th President of the United States, who served from 1981 to 1989. The warship cost over $4.5 billion to build and has a displacement of 100,000 long tons. It is 1,092 feet long, 257 feet wide, and powered by two Westinghouse A4W nuclear reactors, 4 steam turbines, and 4 shafts, with 260,000 shaft horsepower. The ship is home to a crew of over 4,500 sailors. The CVN-76 also equipped with state-of-the-art technology. The onboard armament includes Sea Sparrow missile launchers, RIM-116 rolling airframe missile launchers, and 3 20mm Vulcan Phalanx CIWS sets. The aircraft carrier can take on board up to 90 aircraft of such type as FA-18 Super Hornet, EA-18 Growler, E-2A Hawkeye or Sikorsky MH-60, and even the new class of fighter jets, the F-35 Lightning II. Her main mission is to provide air defense, strike power, and anti-submarine warfare for both surface ships and aircraft carriers, and she has served in every major conflict since the commission in 2004. It is characterized by a combination of superior endurance, seakeeping, and maneuverability, and equipped with the most modern weapons and combat systems available at that time. This aircraft carrier was the flagship of Carrier Strike Group 5 or CSG-5 and was on patrol in the U.S. 7th Fleet Area of Responsibility, supporting security and stability in the Indo-Asia-Pacific region. The USS Ronald Reagan and her strike group are underway in the Philippine Sea, continuing normal and scheduled operations as part of her routine patrol in support of a free and open Indo-Pacific. The CVN-76 aircraft carrier was conducting scheduled operations in the Philippine Sea in the Western Pacific, a 52.2 million square mile stretch of ocean that includes Southeast Taiwan waters. The history of the CVN-76 was started on 1998. The keel was laid on February 12, 1998 at Northrop Grumman's Newport News Shipbuilding and Dry Dock in Newport News, Virginia. When the Navy contracted with Newport News for the Reagan in 1998, the contract was estimated at about $2 billion. The cost increased by $200 million by early 1999, when the contract was rewritten with a new cost of $2.3 billion. The total cost ultimately rose to about $4.5 billion. Upon her christening in 2001, she was the first ship to be named for a former president still living at the time. On her wedding anniversary, former First Lady Nancy Reagan christened the carrier named in her husband's honor. Until then, the carrier's official name was CVN-76. The CVN-76 was commissioned to replace the conventional carrier USS Constellation, or CV-64, which was over 40 years old at that time. Technological improvements begin to be seen in CVN-76 Ronald Reagan. As a modified repeat of USS Harry S. Truman, CVN-76 provided an important step on the road to CVN-21 or CVN-X. The CVN-76 acts as a transition ship towards CVN-21, incorporating numerous new technologies and process design changes that will move naval aviation to a future carrier design.